In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple yet effective way to personalize your Teams experience, especially if you're more comfortable with a language other than the default setting, or if you're looking to practice a new language. So let's dive straight into the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In option. Click on it and proceed to log in using your account credentials. This step is crucial because all the changes we are going to make are user specific, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on those dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options, but for now, we're only interested in one, Settings. So go ahead and click on Settings to proceed. Within the Settings menu, you're going to look for a section named Appearance and Accessibility. It's in this section where you can adjust several settings to make your Teams experience more personalized and more comfortable for you. Click on Appearance and Accessibility to open up a new range of options. Now, this is where things get exciting. Inside the Appearance and Accessibility settings, you'll find an option labeled Language. Click on this to see a list of languages that Microsoft Teams supports. Take a moment to scroll through the list and select the language you feel most comfortable with, or the one you want to use going forward. Once you've chosen your preferred language, click on it. The change might not happen instantaneously, so give it a moment. Microsoft Teams may also refresh or ask you to restart the app for the changes to take effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Microsoft Teams. Remember, changing the language setting in Teams not only changes menu options, but also alters how you interact with a platform, potentially providing you with a more intuitive and personalized user experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the language on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're doing this to improve your language skills, or simply making the interface more comfortable for yourself, this small change can make a big difference in your daily interaction with Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.